so this is the Helix tutorial. Okay, it can be broken down to 4 moves. So bite handle, Y2K. So you want to do a Y2K, sorry, Y2K, land in here. Okay, ready for the next move. I'll do that once more. Bite handle, catch in here. That's the first part. The second part is an index roll, 0G, open. Okay. So you're here. Okay. You're not actually going to catch it with your thumb. You're going to change from the index to the thumb. But just practice that. Okay. And when you do the index roll, just make sure, when you catch the Y2K, that you don't catch it too far up, like towards here, because when you go for the index roll, that will smack into your fingers and you won't be able to get the roll. So you want to be sort of down, sort of there. So when you do it, okay, you can go into the next one. So the next one is a thumb roll that you want to practice from there. So Y2K, catch him in the middle, index roll, thumb roll, okay, into a wrist pass. So the final one is the wrist pass. So from the beginning, Y2K, index roll, sorry, Y2K, index roll, thumb roll, wrist pass, yeah? Okay, so it should look something like this. Sorry. Okay. Y2K. Insert your index, thumb, and then pass to your thumb. So the trick should start off high, low, high, low. Okay. Y2K, high, low, and sorry, I don't normally start from a Y2K, so I kind of lose momentum. So if I was going to go into it, I'd sort of be here and then go into it. So just remember that if you can start it on the safe or the bite handle, but just remember whatever handle you were holding before the trick, you're going to hold the opposite when you finish the trick. So if you start with the bite handle, so if you start with the bite handle, you're going to finish with the safe handle, and you can lead into another trick, yeah? Okay. I don't think there's anything else that I can add to that. So, yeah, just keep practicing. And you'll get it. Take care. Thank you for watching my video. If you could please like and subscribe, and comment down below, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.